I don't have a French accent. I don't speak French. I've never been to France, so I don't call it anything but Saint Laurent. I have some trinkets here and there from the brand because I love it so much. I don't own the clothes, but I do appreciate the outfits and just like the vibe that they put out. I like to emulate that brand a lot, but I do like to incorporate their pieces with bags or like with shoes. Those are still pretty pricey as well. And so another way that I like to incorporate the brand itself is with their little trinkets, because they have some cute and expensive trinkets. So I have another little unboxing from Saint Laurent. Crinkly. I purchased this on Farfetch. They showcase inventory from boutiques all around the world, and then that's what you're buying. I ordered this, and I think it came second day shipping, I want to say, and it was shipped from a Saint Laurent store in New York. This has the black tissue and the matte black stickers, same as the cup that I ordered from YSL.com. I love the packaging. This is so fun. Who can honestly afford to be unboxing bags every day? Not me. So this is more than enough. I'm so excited. So here we have the little box. Oh, I love unboxing. So here's the box. And inside you get a little dust bag. And here it is. This is the key holder. This is called the Paris key case. And it just has like a tri-fold, kind of like a wallet. And then inside you have a pocket here. You can put cards in here. There are 6 key rings here and 1 large circle. And then the button. So you can just close it up like that. Oh, I didn't even notice. So this has a flap. And this holds things as well. Oh, oh my goodness. How cute is that? I love key holders so much. I don't like keychains because keys scratch things. Sunglasses or even your phone in your purse, keys can scratch that. So this is a really nice way to contain your keys. It looks really classy. You don't see a lot of people with these. I think it's like that touch of luxury. I had the Louis Vuitton 6 key holder and I actually ended up selling it on Poshmark because it's brown monogram with fuchsia trim or something like that. I'm all about the black, white, and gray. I mean it, you guys. I'm going to live in black and white. Oh, it's the same leather as my bag. The logos are very understated. They're not like in your face, like, look, I'm a brand snob, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna put my keys in here. This is my manicure from last week, but I wanted to put my keys in here before I redid my manicure because I would hate to chip a nail installing my keys into this guy. I like this a lot better than the Louis Vuitton one that I had previously. There are more compartments in it. These key rings, they don't slide out. So in the Louis Vuitton one, this you could slide and then all the keys would come off, which was nice when you're trying to put the keys on. But many times when you open this, the keys would just like fly off and you'd have to go find them on the ground. It's pretty embarrassing. But this actually stays put. So it was a little bit more difficult to initially put the keys on, but these are not going anywhere. This is a unique contraption, so I don't know if I'm making any sense. The key ring holder, it doesn't slide out. You'll still hear this in your purse, but it's nothing like having keys on a ring. Sometimes I hit work goals or personal goals and I like to give to myself, and it's just something that I like to do. If you're into it, you'll appreciate it, and I just wanted to share. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.